What's going on, you guys? Cutty from Cutty TV, man. We're back at it again. I have a very special episode for you guys today. So we've been talking about a lot of different things on this channel. We've been talking about finances, we've been talking about music, we've been doing exclusive interviews with people, but I've never really dived deep inside of my Forex journey that I've taken. You know, I've been doing Forex for about, I'd say 2016, 2017. I've had a lot of wins, had a lot of losses, and I've never brought it to YouTube. So this is my first video about it. I can tell you my full Forex journey later. So if you comment below and say, I want to know how you really started Forex, I'll give you guys the full story. But I picked up a new broker this week and I wanted to just give you guys my first week results. So if you know anything about Forex, you know brokers are very important depending on like leverage and things of that nature. So the broker that I just used closed down. Don't know how that happened, but they closed down and I had to switch to a new one. So this is my first week with them and I wanted to give you guys the first week results. So if you know nothing about Forex, I hope this motivates you and inspires you to get into it because it can change your life and your future. So let's get started in with the episode. All right, you guys, so let's just get started in. So I guess let's talk about my previous broker so you guys can know kind of who I left and who I'm with. So before I got with who I'm with, who I'm not going to tell you until you got to wait until more into the video, we're going to talk about the previous one, which is JAFX. So if you're a Forex trader, you've probably heard of JAFX, or you've heard of Trader's Way, or Onda, maybe even Forex.com. I felt like JAFX was the best broker for me. Now JAFX, I love their leverage, honestly, especially when you're dealing with a smaller account. When I was first starting, I was only putting in like $100, $150 at a time, maybe even $40, $50. So I needed to use a lot of leverage because well, personally, I didn't know what I was doing. So it was like I wanted to be able to trade and not have to worry about like just losing everything at once. So should you do this? No, you should not. I'm going to advise that right now because I've blown my account more than once. This is a Forex thing. You will blow your account more than once. It happens to the best of us. So basically JAFX, they were real good. Their deposits were like the only thing. Like they only let you deposit $50 minimum. And the broker that I'm with now, they do $10 minimum, so I think that's good. And then even kind of like putting my deposit on JAFX, I think it was always like I had to wait maybe like an hour or two. I had to wait, you know, longer than what the new broker I'm dealing with now is. So those were little things, and I think now that they're closed, that it's almost like a blessing in disguise. Because at the end of my JAFX run, I always felt like, you know, I don't know what's going on with, you know, maybe it's just their markets or something. I just don't know. Just wasn't getting the results I was looking for. So bam, bam, they closed down and I have to look for somebody new. Now I've been with JAFX for about 4 years now. Before with them, I was with Trader's Way. That's who I started with. That's who you probably have now. Or if you're watching this, that's probably who you've been told to start with. They're one of the more popular ones. I had actually got away from Trader's Way when I found out, you know, just a couple of reviews on them about, you know, market manipulation and things of that nature, and it just kind of swayed me away. Do I know if they're real or not? No, I do not. Do not hold me to your accountability if Trader's Way is a legit broker or not. I don't know. I switched from them because I like JAFX better. JAFX obviously served its purpose. It was real good and did a lot of beautiful things. I had a lot of successful trades. The withdrawal process, fairly easy. You know what I mean? They send it to you in Bitcoin. You can put it on your Cash App. You can take it from your Cash App, put it into your bank account. So super simple with that. Now, let's talk about this new broker I got and my first week with them and how did I do? Did I win more trades? Did I lose more trades? And is it legit? Is it a good company? Should you sign up with them? I'm gonna answer all them questions right now. Now, let's talk about who I'm with now. So I actually have them right here. So I'm gonna bring up their legit names so you know. They are KOT Forex, Kings of Transparency. That's their name. KOT Forex. I'm gonna say it for you one more time. Definitely go check them out on Google or wherever. If you're looking for a broker, wherever you're looking at, go type them in. What do I like about them? So let's start there. I love the minimum deposit, only $10. I love that. Let's talk about the leverage, 1 to 500. So if you don't know, a 1 to 500 account with like $100 is like fucking amazing. Like you could trade all the way up like damn near $10 or some shit like that. It's crazy. Like the lot sizes are crazy what you can do with a 1 to 500 leverage. So they're lot trading, they hold all of the cryptos, they hold all of the stocks, they hold all of the currencies, everything that you're looking for in Forex. So everything's all there. So super happy with it. Let's talk about sign up. You know, here's the thing with JAFX. I had to wait 3 days to sign up because you know they have to do the verification process. You have to send in your ID, you have to link your bank account, things of that nature. These things take time. So naturally, I thought that's what I was going to get at a KOT. I'm expecting, you know, I gotta wait 3 days and then I'll be able to trade. So they did everything the same day. They literally approved me the same day. I got my account approved the same day. I was able to make a deposit the same day. It came on the same day that I signed up. And if you trade Forex, you know that's like 1 in a million. That's like absolutely fantastic. So love them about that. And then even transferring it over, you know, signing into MetaTrader 4, getting my deposit sent over, it like, again, you can pay in Bitcoin directly from your Cash App. So I just put the $10 on it because I'm trying it out. So I put the $10 on there, swapped it over to Bitcoin. It transferred over within like 3 to 4 minutes. And then I was able to put it on MetaTrader and start trading immediately. So love that. I don't think out of all I've been with 3 different brokers now. I've been with Onda, I've been with Traders Way, and I've been with JAFX. And so far, KOT Forex has given me the best experience. So I love that. Now let's talk about how my first week went, really. Now that I've given you, I guess, a seller on them, you're like, I guess I need to be trading with them too. If he beefing it up like that. Let's talk about my first week. So my first week I did 24 trades with them. So we won 13, lost 11. Now, if I can be honest, out of those 11 losses, 4 of them were like, what the fuck are you even doing? Why did you even take that trade? So that's on my end. But the ones that I did win, I feel like, you know, the market showed me exactly what I was looking for. It didn't do no crazy reversals. There were no like stops or glitches or lags or like, because I've experienced with JAFX while you're trading, like it'd be going up and then it'd just randomly just start down here and just start going back down. So when I'm trading with KOT, I mean, it just seems like everything's all good. So it is the first week, so maybe they're just like, okay, let's make sure he gets all of his trades in this week. So, but from my standing aspect, I was pretty happy. I would recommend KOT Forex to everybody. I am going to be showing you guys my first withdrawal. I haven't done a withdrawal yet, so it is my first week. But I was able to have a profitable week. I did end my week with a profit. I had 13 wins and 11 losses. So obviously, if you're a Forex trader, you know that doing successful trades is the part of trading, not making money. Well, obviously making money, but the whole game of it is you want to have more successful trades than unsuccessful trades, and you want those successful trades to be bigger than your unsuccessful ones. So I love that about KOT Forex, and I'm ready for next week. I think personally, I'm very confident. I think this would be a great broker for anybody to start out with, to try. If you have KOT Forex, I would definitely want to know your experience in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you use them, how did your first week go with them? I mainly trade GU and UJ. If you're wondering, I know you're like, you did 24 trades, but with who? I mainly, this week, I did one UCAD trade. I think I did one NZD USD and the rest were GU UJ. Those are my main favorites. If you guys want me to start putting up my chart patterns up on here, my chart analysis, I put them on TradingView, but I wouldn't mind putting them on YouTube also, just to teach you guys, how I mark up and how I trade. So first week in the books, I wanted to bring you guys so you know who my new broker is, so you can sign up. Again, they only do a $10 starting deposit, 1/500 leverage. You can start your lot sizes with 0.01. I, again, got my account approved in one day. I was able to start trading on the same day. My deposit was instant. I was super happy about that. And now we look to see when it's time for withdrawal time. So this is my Forex journey. I'm gonna be updating you guys, my good weeks, my bad weeks. Luckily, this week was a good week. So fingers crossed, next week is NFP week. I believe NFP, I might be saying that wrong, but right now I don't have all of my notes in front of me. And it's gonna be a crazy week. So I'm really excited to see how this broker holds on their end on the market. So definitely excited to be giving you guys an update video, but this is the first one. So again, if you would like to know my Forex journey, maybe how I started, how I trade, how I set up everything, drop it below in the comments and I'll create that video. But if you are looking for a new broker, I think I just gave you one. Make sure you sign up, check them out, and start trading Forex, because it's the way to go. It's the future, and it is going to make you financially free. So that's what we want in life. So this is my first week with my new broker. I wanted to give you guys an update. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is my Forex journey. I'm gonna be giving you guys, just updates whenever I feel like it can be helpful for you guys. So I feel like telling you guys my new broker on who I just went with and how my first week went, and some of the details on why I signed up with them is beneficial for you guys, because now you guys know who to set up a broker with. So definitely happy about that, guys. So until the next episode, I'm gonna see you guys next time. You can follow me. I'm your host, Cutty from Cutty TV, hostess with the mostest, and check out everything that we got going on the channel. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an episode. This has been episode 1 of my Forex journey, and I can't wait to see where we're gonna be at later down the road.